So today's lesson is on the volume and surface area of spheres. Formulas. The surface area. Surface area of a sphere is 4 times pi r squared. That means that the surface area of a sphere is equivalent to 4 circles with the same radius. The volume is 4/3 times pi r cubed. So we're going to find the volume and the surface area of a sphere with a radius of 8.5. So volume 4/3 times pi times 8.5 cubed. And some of you may want to set it up like this: 4 pi times 8.5 cubed all over 3. You're going to get the same result. I don't know how your brain works, but we're going to plug that into our calculator. The surface area is just 4 pi times the radius squared. So I'm going to solve these both in terms of pi and then rounding. So first one, 4 times 8.5 cubed all over 3. So that equals 818.8. So about 818.8 pi meters cubed. If I were to take that and multiply it by pi, I get approximately 2,572.4 meters cubed. All right, so now let's look at the surface area. 4 times 8.5 squared, that's 289 pi meters squared, which is about 907.9. Okay, our next example. The volume of a sphere is 3,000 meters cubed. So the volume of a sphere is 3,000 meters cubed. Find the surface area to the nearest whole number. So we need to find the radius. So the volume, which is 3,000, equals 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. So we're going to divide both sides by 4/3 pi. Whoops. And then once we divide both sides by 4/3 pi, we'll take the cube root of that. So 3,000 divided by 4/3 pi is approximately 716.197, and that equals r cubed. So now let's take the cube root of that. So I'm actually just going to use the caret function, and I'm going to do 1 divided by 3 for the cube root. So that is about, so my radius is about 8.947. It says to find my surface area to the nearest whole number. So I'm going to leave it like this really fast, and for my surface area, and then I'll just round to the nearest whole number. Not in terms of pi, just nearest whole number. 4 times pi times my radius, 8.947 squared. So 8.947 squared times 4 times pi is 1005.9. So if I round it to the nearest whole number, it is about 1006 meters squared. All right, example number 3. The sphere below fits snugly inside of a cube with 9 centimeter edges. So that means that it just fits. So if the cube measures 9 centimeters, the diameter is also 9 centimeters. That means that this sphere has a radius of 4.5 centimeters. So we are going to find the radius, which we've already done, the radius of the sphere. And we need to find the volume of the space between the sphere and the cube, meaning like this is a box with a sphere that just fits inside of it. What's the volume of the space? So we're going to find the volume minus the volume of the sphere. Okay, so volume of the cube, well, if the sides are 9 centimeters each, that's just 9 cubed, which I believe is 729. It is. Okay, so 729. And from that, we're going to minus the volume of the sphere, which is 4/3 pi times my radius, 4.5 cubed. So 4/3 times my pi times 4.5 cubed. And that equals 381.7. So 729 minus 381.7 to the nearest tenth of a centimeter is 347.3 centimeters cubed. All right, let's go to our next example. Our next example looks like we have a composite figure. So we're going to find the surface area of the composite figure. So let's see, it looks like I have a hemisphere. And the surface area of the hemisphere is 50 pi